This lesson is on the spray can. So today we're going to go up to the paint. We're going to come down over here to this little can right here. It's a spray. Now when we click it, this one's a great tool, but it's also very confusing. It has a scroll bar that comes down here, and most kids think that this is the only thing they have. That when they click this, that they can go ahead and make the shapes. Now kids understand that if they make it smaller, you can make smaller stars, and you understand that you can make different colored stars. But what they also need to understand is that you also have a drop-down menu right here. And when you have a drop-down menu, you also have your scroll bar. So the scroll bar, there is lots of other things hidden in the drop-down menu. So you can see that there are numbers, that there is dice, there are animals, and these load up from the internet, and that's why you see this little circle going around. It's telling you that you're pulling them off the internet right now. There are also animal tracks, people, balloons, and blocks. Now most kids think it just stops at blocks, but don't forget that you have another scroll bar right here. So you can come down to general, letters, money, plants, and transportation. Now the cool one is the general one, and you'll see that as these come in, they give you some different balls and bricks and bubbles and check marks and raindrops and snowflakes. So this is where things are hidden. Again, if we go back up here just to the spray, these are the ones that they see. And don't forget that if you get the color wheel right here, it means that you can choose any color. If I come on down to the animals, you'll notice that the color wheel is not there because your animals, you don't have a choice in color. So when you go through here, I want you to do a little exploring. I want you to wait for them to load. I want you to grab the scroll bar, and I want you to see what the difference is between kids and girls and the crowd and boys. And I want you to go into the balloons, and I want you to explore each one of these categories in the drop-down menu right here. So make sure you grab the scroll bar, go through, and you're going to work on drawing on pictures, choosing the transportation or whatever it is to make a picture. Now just don't forget, each of these you can make a little bit big, or if you don't like it, you can undo it and make it a little bit smaller. Okay, so it's there for you to draw a picture using those tools.